Hello guys, good morning. Gagawa tayo ng ano ba yan? Shake. Basta blender ko lang tong avocado, grapes, cucumber, and what else? Ayan. This is a very nutritious and very healthy and very yummy. Okay. Ayan o. May din pala, may maliit lang na banana, 1/2 yata yung nilagay ko. Yung tira-tira lang ba? Ayan o. Okay. Yan. Pero yung akin, hindi ko na nilagyan ng sugar and milk dahil bawal na, mataas na yung cholesterol. Okay guys, ayan. Pero itong kay Jan, lagyan ko ng 2 scoop na ice cream para maging masarap kasi ayaw niyang kumain ng avocado. Huwag niyong sabihin ha, kasi ayaw talaga niyang avocado, kaya lagyan ko ng ice cream para maging masarap. Ilad-ilad. Tsaka mo guys, kumupalit mo ice cream. Kani, paliton, kani. Lami kayo, cherry. Oh, cherry. You're panting.
Yeah.
I don't put ice cream because I cannot eat ice cream. Dr. Heron said.
Yeah.
Okay? Is it good?
Yeah, very good, Barbie. You did very good. Oh, man.
Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo muli. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog, okay? Ayan, ang sarap-sarap ng ginagawa kong ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko. Shake. Okay. At napakain ko ng avocado si Jan. Okay, huwag niyong sabihin ha. Okay, bye-bye.